If you want your money to grow while you sleep, you need to start investing. But here's the thing, throwing money into random stocks isn't a strategy. Today, I'm breaking down how to invest step by step, plus the exact accounts that will give you the best shot at long-term gains, without gambling your future. Section 1: Why investing matters. Inflation eats away at your money every year. If your cash just sits in a checking account, you're losing purchasing power. Investing is how you flip that script. Your money works for you instead of you working for it. Example: if you invested $500 a month into the stock market over the last 30 years, you'd have over $1 million today. That's the power of compound growth. Section 2: Getting ready to invest. Before you invest, lock down 2 things: an emergency fund and no high-interest debt. Emergency fund: 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Kill high-interest debt. Credit card debt can cost 20% interest. No investment beats that safely. Once those are covered, you're ready to invest without stressing about pulling money out early. Section 3: Best accounts to start with. Not all investment accounts are created equal. Some save you on taxes, others give you more flexibility. Here's where to start. 1. Employer 401k 23315, Tax Advantage Retirement Account. If your job offers a match, always invest at least enough to get it. It's free money. 2 types. Traditional, pay taxes later, and Roth, pay taxes now, withdraw tax-free. 2. Roth IRA, one of the best accounts for beginners. You invest after tax dollars, and your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. 2025 contribution limit, $7,000 per year, or $8,000 if over 50. Great for young investors who expect to be in a higher tax bracket later. 3. Traditional IRA. Pre-tax contributions lower your taxable income now. Best if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket later in life. 4. Individual brokerage account, no tax benefits, but maximum flexibility. Great for medium to long-term investing goals before retirement. Perfect for learning and building extra wealth once tax-advantaged accounts are maxed. 5. HSA, Health Savings Account, triple tax advantage, tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses. Can also act like a stealth retirement account if you invest the funds. Section 4: What to invest in. The account is just the container. What you put inside matters even more. Core beginner portfolio. Index funds, ETFs. Low cost, diversified, historically strong returns. Example: S&P 500 index funds. Target date funds. Auto-adjust risk as you get older. Total stock market funds. Gives you exposure to the entire market. Pro tips: avoid picking individual stocks at first. It's risky and can lead to emotional decisions. Keep costs low. Expense ratios under 0.2%. Consistency beats timing. Invest every month, no matter what the market is doing. Section 5: Strategy for gains. Here's the long-term winning play. 1. Start early. The earlier you invest, the more compound growth works for you. 2. Automate investments. Set up automatic contributions so you never forget. 3. Reinvest dividends. Let your earnings generate even more earnings. 4. Stay the course. Markets go up and down, don't panic sell. Section 6: Call to action. You don't need thousands to start. Even $50 a week can change your financial future. Choose your account, pick your investments, and start today, because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and let me know in the comments which account you're starting with.